So following Soundcore's audio escape game and their secret announcement, they are now launching this new earbuds that I think is one of the top ANC earbuds I've used and tested on my channel. I've only recently tested the Bose QC earbuds and I think this will give it a run for its money.
Yeah, high school was hard. You'd fight with my mom. I'd fall asleep to the screaming. Sound machine always speaking. Left emotional scars. Now I'm 21. A soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things.
Today we're taking a look at one of Soundcore's latest Hybrid ANC earbuds to see if this is truly a great pair of Airpods Pro style ANC earbuds. Welcome to a review of the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. So these earbuds today are graciously sent over to me by Soundcore, and I'm truly excited to be able to share with you these amazing earbuds. And although these earbuds have been sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. These earbuds retails for about US 130 and that translates to about slightly over 500 Malaysian ringgit. Honestly, for premium ANC earbuds, I think this is well justified considering its performance rivals the Bose QC earbuds as well as the Airpods Pro. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of the links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So with Soundcore, you'll always be getting an amazing unboxing experience. The box of their premium devices are just amazing, and flipping it open, you also get a quick illustration of their latest tech that they are promoting, and in this case it's the targeted ANC capability of these earbuds. The Liberty Air 2 Pro is the successor of the original Liberty Air 2, and Soundcore has made various impressive tweaks for this to be an amazing earbuds. With most Soundcore product, you'll be getting amazing materials all throughout the case and the buds, and mine comes in this nice blue color and it has this classy gradient shine to it that makes it look absolutely fantastic. At the top of the case, you get the Soundcore logo there, and flipping it to the back, you get a nice USB Type-C charging port, and at the side of it, you get a button to check the battery percentage of the case. So if you press this, at the front, you will get 3 LED indicators to tell you the battery percentage of the case. The flat bottom of this case also hides a wireless charging coil, so you can slap it onto any Qi certified wireless charger and you're good to go. The lid itself, like most Soundcore earbuds, slide up elegantly, and inside it reveals the Air 2 Pro, and it simply looks gorgeous. And the entirety of the earbuds are made out of a matte plastic, nothing glossy here, so it does not pick up your fingerprints. And on the stem itself, you get a nice Soundcore branding there, and the LED indicator is subtly hidden on the top of the earbuds. And the Liberty Air 2 Pro comes with 6 microphones in total, so 3 on each side to help with the ANC as well as call quality. The tip of the earbuds is shaped like the Airpods Pro, and personally these are better because they are matte finish, and which means it doesn't slide around when it gets oily, unlike the Airpods Pro. Inside the tip is a cleverly hidden sensor that also detects if the earbuds is inside your ears or not. And if you looked at any Soundcore's ear tips before, they all look amazing and they look really good, and the Air 2 Pro is no different. And Soundcore also gives you a total of 9 different ear tips, so you definitely find the right fit for the ANC to work. Without ANC, the Liberty Air 2 Pro gives you a total of 7 hours of continuous playback time and a total of 26 hours with the charging case. And with ANC, it drops to about 6 hours of continuous playback time and a total of 21 hours with the case. Pretty good for an ANC earbuds. The case and the earbuds takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. The Liberty Air 2 Pro also comes equipped with quick charging, so 5 minutes on the charger will give you an impressive 2 hours of playback time. The Liberty Air 2 Pro is a very well-spec'd earbuds with the latest bells and whistle built into it. For starters, it comes with a decent Bluetooth 5.0 chipset that supports both the AAC and SBC audio codec for all your music and movie enjoyment needs. The Liberty Air 2 Pro is also rated to be IPX4 and should give you sufficient protection from your workouts or if you sweat, and even getting caught under the rain shouldn't be much of a problem for these earbuds. The Liberty Air 2 Pro also comes support with super seamless mono and stereo switching mode, so you can use either side of the earbuds independently, and it's also on par to some of the flagship earbuds that we've tested so far. You can turn off the in-ear detection sensor inside the app, and when you take either side off and put it back into the case, it will not stop playing on the other side. Lastly, the Air 2 Pro also doesn't support multi-point connectivity, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, but not at the same time. So let's talk a little bit about the ANC on these earbuds because they are honestly amazing. I've used this alongside the Bose QC earbuds and the Airpods Pro and many other ANC earbuds, and honestly, this comes up on top, second only to the Bose QC earbuds. The Liberty Air 2 Pro comes with Soundcore's targeted ANC technology that listens to prominent sound in the environment and specifically works to cancel out as much of that sound pollution as possible. Blasting an airplane cabin noise, the Bose still does the best in cutting down ambient noise, and second is definitely the Air 2 Pro. The ambient mode on these earbuds is also very subtle and doesn't amplify the surroundings too much, but inside the app you can toggle between full-on ANC, transparency mode, as well as normal mode. So just to summarize, if Bose manages to cut out about 90% of ambient noise, the Air 2 Pro manages to cut down about 85% of ambient noise, followed only by the Sony and the Airpods Pro at about 80%. So from an ANC perspective, these are truly amazing. So the app of the Liberty Air 2 Pro allows you to do various things and allow you to customize your earbuds to your liking. So when you first go into the app, you will see Liberty Air 2 Pro, and here you can check the battery percentage of the earbuds, both the left and the right. And of course, this is an ANC earbud, so you will get ANC control. So inside here, you can click on ambient sound, and here you can choose between normal, transparency mode, or noise cancellation. And the good thing about how Soundcore built this is that everything here is customizable. So if you go into transparency mode, you can either go full transparency, so you can hear everything around you, or you can go solely vocal mode, so it will still cancel out a lot of that background noise but will emphasize more on vocal, so that's very good. And if you go into noise cancellation, you will have various different modes, so this is like the intelligent way of it trying to understand how it should best cancel certain things. So if you're in transport mode, you can use transport, indoor, outdoor, or custom. So you have various different types of controls for your noise cancellation, so you're not just stuck with one noise cancelling mode. So if you go back, the next thing that you can do is adjust the Hear ID or EQ. So here I have already set up and customized my Hear ID. So based on my ear age and whether or not I can hear certain frequency, it will map out what is the best sound signature for me, and it will personalize the EQ settings to my liking. So that's a very handy feature. Or if you don't want Hear ID, you can also go into equalizer and you can choose from the various different types of EQ settings that they already have, and of course they have a Soundcore signature one as well. Or you can go custom, and inside here you can just play around with the different EQs that you like, and it will play it according to the EQ setting. So that's very convenient stuff there. Lastly, you can also customize the controls, and this controls that you see here is actually customized by me already. So what I like to do is use the in-ear sensor inside my earbuds to play a pause, and for the double tap left side, I will change it to ambient mode so I can toggle between noise cancellation and transparency mode. And for the double tap right side, I'll put it to skip to next track, no skip backwards in this case. And for hold for 2 seconds, left side to volume up, right side to volume down, or vice versa. So it depends on what you're comfortable with. If you go into the top here, you can also control whether or not you want wearing detection, so you can turn this on and off, or you can also enable whether or not you want touch tone in this case. And lastly, you can also update your firmware and also view some of the user manuals in the app itself. So very convenient stuff there, and what Soundcore have built into this, I think is really fantastic. And if you've never heard of Soundcore Sound Signature before, I think you're truly missing out. Let's put EQ inside the app aside because you get to play around with it inside the app so that you choose something that really fits your listening style, but we must discuss the sound signature out of the box. If I may, I would say that the Liberty Air 2 Pro has the perfectly tuned sound signature out of the box. Bass on this are phenomenal, which is just the right amount of kick and just gives you the bone-chilling bass thump that you just want from an earbuds. The mids and highs, vocals, all comes into play harmoniously without any one of it being washed out at any one point. This is truly an amazing sounding earbuds, no wonder it's recommended by 10 Grammy winning artists and musicians. The technology that Soundcore uses is a pure note technology, meaning the drivers are coated with 10 hardened nano layers, which helps it generate that accurate, crisp and bassy sound signature. I really love the sound signature of the Air 2 Pro, and it even beats the sound quality of the Bose. The Airpods Pro doesn't even come close. The call quality of the Air 2 Pro is also super impressive, giving you crisp call quality in both quiet and noisy environments. You can hear how the 6-mic intelligent noise cancelling comes into play. When you first turn on a simulated background noise, you hear it, and then the earbuds cuts almost everything out, and you still hear a faint background noise, and it's cutting it about 95% away. So let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Liberty Air 2 Pro is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. With all of those great features, watching videos and movies on the Air 2 Pro is really enjoyable, and you generally don't experience any lag with YouTube or Netflix. With games though, there is still a very minor delay, so for casual gaming, these are great, but for anything competitive, wired options are still the best. Anyway, let's take a look at latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. Overall, I'm really happy with the performance design of the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. And I think if you're in the market to get the AirPods Pro, which costs more than 2 times the price of this, I definitely recommend you going with this unless you really want that status of the AirPods Pro. But to me, these are the new king of AirPods Pro alternative. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.